my friend, let it start. Let the tears come rolling from your heart. And when you need a light in the lonely nights, carry me like a fire in your heart. Carry me like a fire in your heart. There is a river rolling to the sea. You will be with her for all eternity. But we that remain need you here again. So hold her in your memory and begin to make the shadows disappear.